The current marketplace is brutally competitive, and that's even more in the case of travel businesses. Travel and tourism revolve around creating memorable experiences for customers, and businesses that are unable to do on their own are finding it hard to sustain in the market. This explains why the industry is relying more and more on BPO services. The BPO market for the travel and hospitality sector has continued to expand in recent years. In 2018, the market registered 10 to 12% growth, reaching 4.5 to 5 billion dollars. The biggest contributor to this growth was contact centers. Taking the largest share of the pie, contact center outsourcing is at the forefront of the BPO services within the travel industry. However, other BPO services such as accounting, back office, and web designing projects are also catching up. Given this increasing demand, one thing becomes obvious: there is a definite value addition that BPO is bringing to the travel and tourism industry. If you're a business operating within the travel sector, you should take note of these positives as they could greatly benefit your business operations. So why BPO is a decisive factor? Customer support is one of the decisive factors for success in travel and tourism industry. Just one poor customer experience is enough for 80% of the clients to make them shun your business and services. Given the cutthroat competition in this space, outsourcing can give you much more what is needed for your business age. The rise of sites like TripAdvisor has given a platform to customers where they can openly share their opinions or feedbacks. People are going to check out what users have to say about your services before buying themselves. One bad review can do major damage to the image of your business. So basically, you can't afford to go wrong. By offshoring certain business processes to professional BPO service providers, you can ensure that you are delivering nothing but the best customer experience to your clients at a considerably low cost. Creating exceptional customer experiences for tourists who do not always plan each and every aspect of their travel is important. Instead of planning exact destinations, many prefer not to plan anything and leave their itinerary for the travel agents. This way of traveling comes with its own challenges. Not to mention, every tour operator has their own version of itineraries and packages. It adds further complexity to a task that is sufficiently complex to begin with. This is where your business needs the services of trained executives of professional call centers. The individuals working at contact centers and call centers are highly knowledgeable and are able to deliver great value to customers. They're able to consult clients and assist them in selecting the most appropriate itinerary so that their experience could be satisfying as possible. By asking clients their preferences and needs, customer support executives in travel-oriented BPOs are able to craft a better experience for them. Everything from the itinerary to the package is in accordance with the dates, destinations, and the budget preferred by the clients. Now let's see how the BPOs are making travel more alluring. This is probably the most understand value that BPO is bringing to the travel industry. Travel call centers train their executives to become competent at presenting travel excursions, adventure activities, and other touring experiences in a convincing manner that would evoke curiosity of individuals. The travel industry is one of the most challenging sectors when it comes to attracting new clients. Having the expertise to make travel more alluring can go a long way in benefiting your travel business. The executives at offshore contact centers are often well informed about the local markets, culture, geography, and other details of the destinations in question. It allows them to portray a beautiful verbal picture of the travel experience, poking the curiosity of the prospective client about the destination. Travel call center executives are able to invoke a strong emotional responses in customers, which is far more effective than pictures or videos. It encourages clients to choose your services over your competitors. Experts at call centers often provide valuable tips to clients. Tourists appreciate these tips as it ends up further enhancing the travel experience. For instance, if the tourist is traveling to Paris, he may find the information about the Seine river trips and the free salsa dancing meetups useful. So what is the conclusion? With new entrants in the market, the travel and tourism space is getting more saturated and competitive. Your business cannot compete without improving and upscaling its efficiency and cost effectiveness. This is exactly what BPO brings to the business. Outsourcing services such as customer support can prove incredibly advantageous in the long run for your business. Now, when it comes to selecting your BPO company, I recommend considering WIS in India. This is one of the fastest growing BPO companies in India. If you want to watch more videos about outsourcing and offshoring, then make sure to click here on this link. In this video, I will take your leave and I will see you in the next one.